Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I didn't vlog yesterday because it was my best friend's birthday and we went out. So I am currently reading this now. This is my library book, Daughter of the Siren Queen. It's the second book to Daughter of the Pirate Queen and I am enjoying it. I'm about 100 pages in. I'm also listening to an audiobook. The Sun is Also a Star. That's the audiobook I'm listening to right now. I'm about an hour in. I was listening to it while I was working on a logo for a church. I'm at the point where the two main characters finally meet each other and it's not even making me excited or anything. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue listening. I'm so glad I didn't buy this book. I got it from the library because I was really excited to read this book. And it so far, I have my bookshelf. And I'm so excited to put it together. I'm not sure if it'll happen tonight though. But I am super duper excited to put all these books and all my other books that are currently in the bedroom on this. And I'll be sure to show you guys everything when I do it. So I'm currently working on this bookshelf here. It's a lot going on. I'm also currently listening to The Sun Is Also a Star. I take everything back that I said earlier. This is so cute. I am pretty much enjoying it so far. Even the side narrations, like the chapters go back and forth between the boy and the girl, and then the other chapters are in third person following some random person that's around or a part of what they did. So I am really liking it. All right, so this is actually terrible lighting, but this is what we got going on. These are all the books I own. For some reason I don't feel like it's going to fill up these shelves that much, which is perfect because that means I can buy more books. So yes, that's gonna be my cutoff, this shelf. If books surpass this shelf, so I gotta start giving them away and stuff. But let's see if I actually stick to that. But I don't know how to organize it. So it's probably gonna get switched around a couple of times, but for now, I have them in stacks with well, it was in stacks of their genre, but right now they're just all over the place just from transferring over here. But I think I'm going to keep them like that. I'm going to put them in genre unless I have like a very... I'm a contemporary person. Like I buy contemporaries, well, new adult and adult contemporary and thriller person. So I feel like those will overrun everything. I don't know. We'll just see after I put them all together. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but that top one should be flipped around, but I had already nailed everything and it was just like, oh well. So this is what I came up with for now. Look at all that room to buy more books. I tried to fill in some space by turning some outward. And I have it organized by genre, sorta, kinda. Ting! You like my bookshelf? You gonna be crawling on it and making a mess? Did she just yawn at me?
Yes.
Ting! You like it? You like the bookshelf? Come on, let's check it out. She was all up on it when I first put it over here. Come check it out.
I'm surprised she's going over there.
Okay, now I think I got it. So the next small little section is non-fiction, except for this one. This one's just here because it doesn't have a dust jacket. And this one is just, you know, genre all on its own. Then I have my retellings. I forgot Cruel Beauty was a retelling. And then I have my fantasy, and then I have my historical fictions, and then I have my new adult, and then I have my young adult contemporary, but these ones are psychological mystery thriller temporaries. contemporary, and these are all romance contemporary, like all of these. Then we have my one science fiction, my three, no, actually these are a couple. So a couple of mystery thrillers or psychological thrillers. Then we have some regular just adult fiction. Then we have some romantic adult contemporary. Then we have some dystopian slash utopian. Then we have some sci-fi, some young adult science fiction. And then these three are, well, this one's kind of sci-fi-ish because I know that she's immortal or something. It's not sci-fi, I guess. I don't know. It's different because she's immortal. These two are different because it's about a conspiracy and whatnot. So that's why they're not with my regular contemporaries. And then these ones down here are Sierras. So yeah, that's how it's looking for now. Definitely got to get rid of all these boxes, like for sure. Even though they keep my cat pretty entertained. Can't wait to fill it up with more books because look at all that room. Ugh, I love it. Hola everybody, it's a new day. It is Wednesday, I think. And I just came back from the thrift store. I decided because I have so much room to fill on my shelves. Yes, I'm terrible. That I needed more books. So I went to the thrift store just to see what I could find because, you know, it's hit or miss when you go there. And this lighting is absolutely terrible. But anyway, it's hit or miss when you go to the thrift store. But I found a good amount of books that I knew. But I'm very picky with the books I buy because I'm like, I'd rather read it in the library because then if I don't like it, I don't feel too bad about owning it. So I usually only buy books that I'm really excited about and that I feel like I really like I'm pretty sure I'll like. So I'm going to show you the books I got. These ones are pretty exciting to find at a thrift store. So first I have The Complete Persepolis. It's a memoir about a girl who lived in Iran, and it just gives you a different look at what Iran is like, what it's like to grow up in Iran, because, you know, us Americans got our own perception of what it's like over there. That's probably wrong. And then, exciting, I got an arc of Hunting Prince Dracula. Like, even on here it says coming in September 2017. But it doesn't say arc on it, but it is, because on the back it tells you how much it's supposed to cost, and everything. So that's exciting, but I don't own the first book, so now I gotta go ahead and get the first book. I was looking like real hard to see if the first book was at this thrift store, but it wasn't. So yeah, and they both look freaking brand new. Hola everybody. So I have been listening to The Sun Is Also a Star all day. For some reason, I am so into it, and I literally listened to it while I was out shopping, driving around. Like, it's been hours, and I've been listening to it all day. So that's how good it is. So I don't know what I was thinking yesterday when I was talking about how I'm not that into it. Good morning, everybody. I am, what is it? It's Friday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday, and I don't know why, because, oh, I know why. Because I spent the whole morning slash day editing my wrap up, and then we watched another Marvel movie to continue our Marvel movie marathon. I am on page 195 and Daughter of the Siren Queen, and it's so good. I am enjoying it. I don't know if I'm enjoying it as much as the first book so far, but I am liking it. What else? I'm still 75% in with The Sun Is Also a Star. I haven't listened to that in like a whole day. I didn't listen to that at all yesterday. So I think the plan for today is to try to finish both of those books. I just finished listening to The Sun Is Also a Star, and I don't understand the ending. I'm just like, I don't, like, why did it happen that way? I thought it would be a better, a more optimistic, a happier baby ending. I guess it did end optimistically. I don't know. I don't want to spoil anything, but it was such a good book. I just wish it ended happier. Hey guys, it is Sunday and it is the end of the week. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my update on my reading today or if I should do it tomorrow, because I only have a couple pages left of Daughter of the Siren Queen. I really thought I would finish it like yesterday, but I just been like, it's not slumpy per se, it's just like I've had other things going on. So maybe busy, but I haven't been busy. So maybe it's slumpy. Like I'm finding it. Oh, I know why. It's our Marvel movie-thon. That's why I haven't been reading that much this week, because we've been catching up on Marvel movies so that we could be all caught up when we watch Infinity Wars. But I did finish 2 books. I finished Birthday Girl. I didn't talk about it in this vlog because I finished it on Monday and I didn't start vlogging until Tuesday. But I finished Birthday Girl. It was amazing. 5 out of 5 stars. Great book. I talked about it in my April wrap-up. So go ahead and watch that if you want to hear more about it and more of my thoughts on it. And also I finished... I just finished the book. Oh, The Sun Is Also a Star, which was amazing. I gave that 4 out of 5 stars. Super good. Not quite sure how I feel about the ending, but it gives hope, I guess. I don't know. I want to look more into it. I'm going to just say peace out here, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish this book by tonight. If I do, I'll pop in an end clip. So I just finished Daughter of the Siren Queen. It was good. I want to say I didn't love it as much as the first book, which is sad. But it was still a good book, and I didn't have any overall issues with it, except for the fact that I feel like we went backwards in the relationship with Raiden and Alosa. But I feel like it made sense because they both had issues of thinking that the other was using them. So I guess it's okay. I think I was just feeling impatient about the relationship, but it was so great. It was so full of action and twists and turns, and I loved it. So I think I'm still going to give it 5 stars. And that is all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye-bye.